Do you want to know what makes a man decide that a woman is the one for him? Here are 5 qualities that men find irresistible. Number 1. She makes him a better person. A man wants to be with a woman who motivates him and brings out the best in him. She is someone he can discuss his visions with and who can give him wisdom to get things done. Men are often attracted to women who are intelligent and have their own goals and dreams. A woman who can challenge him intellectually and help him grow as a person is a major turn-on. Number 2. She is contented and faithful. A man wants to be with a woman who is content with what she has and who is faithful to him. She is not influenced by bad friends or peers, and she is disciplined and committed to their relationship. Men are also attracted to women who are grounded and have a strong sense of self. A woman who is not constantly seeking validation from others is a sign of maturity and inner strength. Number 3. She is spiritual and God-fearing. A man wants to be with a woman who shares his values and who has a strong relationship with God. She is a woman of faith who is guided by her principles. Men are often drawn to women who have a strong spiritual foundation. This shows that she has a deep understanding of life and what is important. Number 4. She respects and values him. A man wants to be with a woman who respects him and values his contributions to the relationship. She treats him with kindness and consideration, and she makes him feel loved and appreciated. Men need to feel respected and appreciated in a relationship. A woman who shows her man that she values him will make him feel secure and loved. Number 5. They have mutual understanding. A man wants to be with a woman who he can understand and who understands him. They are able to communicate effectively and resolve their disagreements in a respectful way. Men appreciate women who are good communicators. This shows that she is able to express her feelings in a clear and respectful way. If you have these qualities, you are sure to catch the eye of any man. So don't be afraid to let your true self shine through, and let your man know how much you care about him. Do you agree with me? Drop a comment in the comments section below for more amazing contents on relationship, marriage, and sex. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.